All right, guys, so I already kind of started undecorating. The house has been such a mess because of the kids' toys and everything they got for Christmas. So it was just, the clutter was just getting so overwhelming. So that's a box that I already have filled up. And then this is all trash in here. I already cleared out this entryway table. So I need to take down the wreaths and that stuff. So yeah, so I have, it's just a mess. There's just toys everywhere. There's stuff everywhere. It's just, yeah. And then that's not even all of it. It's just the dining table. It's bad. All right, sorry guys. Luna was fussy, so I had to go help her for a minute. But yeah, like I was saying, I had my husband take out the so you also see like the cocoa station. The kids put their freaking basketball hoop thing that they got there for Christmas, so that's why my husband moved the table. So I already cleared out all the Christmas stuff there. And like I said, I had my husband bring down, this is like my usual decor that I have out the whole year. I don't know if I'm gonna put it out right now because I kind of want to change the decor style that I have going on, but for now I just told him to take it out anyways, so I could kind of take that stuff out and then put the Christmas stuff in there. Like I said, it's just a disaster. So yeah, let's get started. So I am starting off in my kitchen, and I am going to be completely honest with you guys. I did not do any cleaning on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. On Christmas Eve, my mom and grandma came over and they brought all the dinner, so I didn't even have to cook or use the kitchen. And then on Christmas Day, it was me, my husband, and our babies, and we just ate a bunch of leftovers. My husband actually works every day of the week, so he was able to spend the day with us on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, and that was such a gift in itself because it's so hard to not be able to spend, you know, of course, not only every day but even the weekends with him. So we just really soaked all that family time in, and I didn't even want to bother cleaning because, like I said, it's a luxury to have him home even one full day. So cleaning was the last thing on my mind, if I'm being honest. So this is the day after Christmas, so I had already started to put away a lot of the Christmas decor. I was just so overwhelmed already seeing all the clutter, and I think it's because I decorate so early in the year, not in the year, but so early, like November early. So and I'm talking about like after Halloween early. So that's why I feel like I was just kind of like over it. Not that I'm being a Grinch. My house has been Christmas for 2 months already. So just putting everything away, and I ended up filling up, I think it was like 6 bins of Christmas decor. I couldn't even believe it. So it just really needed to get put away, guys. So if I filled up 6 bins of Christmas decor, you can only imagine how the house looked already. So just cleaning and washing some dishes that I had, and I am using the Mrs. Meyer's in the snowflake scent. Ugh, it smells so divine. So my Christmas blankets I will actually use until the cold weather is over because our home gets really, really cold and these blankets are super warm. But the throw pillows, the throw pillow covers, I will put those away with all of the Christmas decor. So when I am putting my Christmas decor away, all of the frames and the bulkier things I put in a cabinet that I have in my kitchen. It's like a really high cabinet that I cannot reach. So I will put those up there. But as far as everything else, I just put everything in bins, and I don't wrap them in newspaper or anything like that. Nothing fancy, because they don't get moved. Once they're in my garage in the bin, they don't get moved until the next year. So that's just how I store my decorations each year. And then here, as you can see, I am just putting away all of the Christmas tree ornaments, and again, just not throwing them, but you know what I mean, putting them into a storage container and just putting ornaments in that one container. So I will use one storage bin to just put all of the ornaments together, so that the next year when I do take them out, I'm not scrambling all over the place to look for them. And then I fast forwarded for you guys putting the tree apart, because I honestly struggled. Usually my husband will help me, but he was working, so it was a struggle to take that thing apart. And then once I had put the Christmas tree away, these are all the presents that we have left over for family members. We haven't dropped them off yet, so I just kind of put those in the corner. But to be honest, I'll probably just end up putting them in our bedroom, because I want to start putting out my regular decor. And by regular, I mean my decor that I always have out throughout the year, which I am switching up. So I actually am doing a little mini series of my new decor hunting. So be on the lookout for that. So just finishing cleaning up the living room, and just honestly, I still have not put my decor out, because I think it was just so cluttered for these past few months. So I'm just enjoying all of the blank slate, if you will. See, as you can see, it just looks so bare and naked, but I actually am enjoying it. It's still like that right now as we speak, and I'll probably start decorating a little bit after New Year's. Like I said, be on the lookout for that mini series. And once I had finished putting everything away, I swept the whole house, because there was glitter everywhere, just like it is when I barely put out all the decor. Taking it down is the same thing. So there was a bunch of glitter and just trash everywhere, so I had to for sure sweep the whole house. And then after I did that, I went in and mopped. I hope you guys enjoyed this Christmas takedown with me. Let me know in the comments if you guys have your decor up still, or if you are just over it as well. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not already, I would love if you would subscribe and be a part of my YouTube family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.